Welcome back to Brainwave Learning Hub. If you've ever wondered how some creators seem to crack the code for viral content, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use ChatGPT. Not just as a tool, but as your personal brainstorming partner. Together, we'll come up with viral video ideas, craft irresistible titles, and even write scripts that keep your audience hooked. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this could change the way you approach content forever. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets to going viral.
What if just one sentence, a single line of text, could be the key to unlocking a viral YouTube video script for your channel? Imagine crafting compelling content practically in seconds. Imagine writing scripts with the same impact and structure as Mr. Beast, capturing audience attention from the very first second. All this using just one carefully crafted prompt. Today I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you the exact ChatGPT prompt that savvy YouTube creators are quietly using behind the scenes. They're using it to speed up their scripting process, dramatically boost audience retention, and maybe, just maybe, even unlock the secret to going viral. Let's be real for a moment. Writing a compelling video script from scratch can be incredibly tough and time-consuming. You start with a spark, a great idea bubbling in your mind, but transforming that initial idea into a tight, engaging, and perfectly paced 5-minute video. That's where the real challenge begins. It's definitely not as easy as it looks. You might face the dreaded low watch time, consistently poor audience retention, and that classic soul-crushing blank page syndrome that haunts every creator. But here's the secret weapon, the key to unlocking your scripting potential. Here's the exact prompt, the magic formula you can give ChatGPT right now, this very instant, to generate a script that not only performs well, but also resonates with your audience. Ready to dive in? The prompt is simple. Write a YouTube video script under 5 minutes long about insert topic using the AIDA framework. That's attention, interest, desire, and action. Now let's refine it further. Make it conversational, keep it punchy and engaging, and above all, optimized for maximum audience retention. Trust me, it works like magic. The AIDA formula is designed to immediately grab the viewer's attention, carefully build their interest as the video progresses, create a burning desire for what you're offering, and ultimately drive them to take action, whether it's subscribing, liking, or visiting a link. All you have to do is plug in your specific topic, and just like that, you've got a killer, well-structured script ready to go every single time you use it. So let's put it to the test and see it in action. I asked ChatGPT using this exact prompt, write a 5-minute video script on how to grow a YouTube channel fast in 2025 using AI tools, specifying the topic and time frame. And just look at this incredible output. A compelling hook that grabs you from the start, a well-organized structure that keeps viewers engaged, and a clear call to action that prompts viewers to take the next step. It's all done, ready to go. Now, all I have to do is record the video using the script as a guide. But if you really want to take your scripting to the next level and maximize its effectiveness, try incorporating these additional tips into your prompt. Start by adding your specific niche to the prompt, especially if you're a small creator just starting out. Next, clearly define the tone you want the script to have. For example, specify that you want it to be fun, casual, and approachable. And finally, don't forget to include helpful add-ons in your prompt. Ask it to give you a suggestion for a catchy thumbnail title and a compelling call to action to encourage viewer engagement. Remember, the more context and detail you provide to ChatGPT in your prompt, the more the resulting script will sound authentically like you, reflecting your unique voice and style, and not just some generic robotic output. One powerful, well-crafted prompt, one viral-ready script, just waiting to be brought to life. Now you're fully equipped and ready to create content faster and more efficiently than ever before, smarter in your approach to scripting, and with significantly less stress and overwhelm.
If this video helped you unlock your scripting potential, give it a thumbs up. And hey, drop your favorite ChatGPT prompt for content creation in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more new videos right here on Brainwave Learning Hub.